If you open the Play Store or App Store on your mobile and on the search bar you search for Blogger, you will see a list of applications here. You will see a list of application with the name of Blogger Panel, Blogger Prime, Blog Master, and the list goes on. Also, if you search for Blogspot, let me type Blogspot, so you can see there is also a list: fake GPS, Blogspot Prime, and Blogger Panel, Blog Space. And if you open any one of them, you will have to log in through your Google account. But here is one thing: none of these application is owned by Google. None of them are organic, none of them are authentic. So if you want to know which one is authentic, you can simply search for Google LLC and open any one of this. And then if I open the profile, and if I go to the Google Apps, so here is the list of all the authentic applications which are owned by Google under the domain of Google LLC. So here is a list of all the organic applications which are owned by Google, but unfortunately Blogger application is not in the list because Google never made one. So if you want to access your Blogger account, you will have to access it through your browser. You will have to log in through your uh, Google account, and then you can access it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Also, if you are watching this on Facebook or TikTok, make sure to follow the profiles. Thank you very much.